This is all about communication, a series by the Early Years Project. So, this is the conclusion of all of the communication videos. So, throughout the communication videos, we've talked about what communication is, we've talked about how it works, the importance of developing early communication skills, what communication skills are, developmental milestones, potential signs of delay, how to refer a child if you have concerns regarding their development, and then how to work on communication skills either in the home or in your early childhood educator program. We talked about the early communication skills specifically, such as prelinguistic communication, joint attention, early symbolic communication, and play. We talked about some key ways to work on fostering development of communication skills, like talking about what you're doing all day, every day. Again, with all of these things, you will likely feel extremely silly and extremely ridiculous. But again, this is when a child is learning the most. Ask and answer the questions that you're asking them or that they're asking you. Model clear and correct speech and take turns during everything. And finally, it is so important that caregivers know that they are really the captain of their child's communication development. Professionals can coach on how to work on communication skills, but the caregiver is the one that really executes the plays. Therapists have a very important role in teaching the child and helping the child to develop their skills. But a therapist is only with a child 6% of the week. Caregivers are with the child the rest of the 94% of the week. So really take that in, and really consider these things that we've worked on or we've talked about on how to work on communication skills. The Early Years Project is funded by Illinois Eddy in collaboration with Illinois Hands and Voices Guide by Your Side. We invite you to use your phone to scan the QR codes, opening the camera and then scanning the QR code here to provide a survey on how we can continue to improve, what other things that you, as caregivers and early childhood educators and providers, how we can provide you with more resources and education. Thank you.